Welcome to my channel, Creative Creepers. As a kid, my favorite cartoon was Heidi, the girl of the apps. I used to love watching her. So today I thought of making a drawing and coloring tutorial on Heidi. So let's begin. First we'll draw the eyes, and then a mouth like a laughing Heidi, nose, eyebrows, and then hair falling on her forehead, so that's the face. Now we'll draw her frock and arms extending out. Then we'll draw her legs. She's standing on one leg, so we'll draw one leg straight, which is resting on the ground, and another leg which is lifted up in the air. Then we'll draw the ground, and there, Heidi is done. So let's begin some coloring. We'll take black and color her hair. We'll take brown and add to her hair because Heidi has brown hair. Then we'll color her frock with red, and pink. Then we'll take a darker shade of pink and fill it up. We'll take yellow and color her shirt. And then we'll take light shade of green and color the base. We'll add some shadow below her feet. We can add some trees in the background. Take a darker shade of green and draw the trees. Then we can draw some mountains in the back, the Alps, with a light blue shade. I forgot to color her mouth, so we'll take light pink and color it, and then top it with a darker shade of pink. We'll add blush to her cheeks. So there, we are done. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel for some more interesting videos.